Hi everyone, my name is Brian. I'm with Granite State Epoxy. We are in Bedford, New Hampshire, where we are redoing a pool deck for a customer of ours. They gave us a call because they were unhappy with their current pool deck. They needed it to be updated. They had an outdoor carpet that they had put on the pool deck that was uncomfortable and unsightly, as well as some cracking and other issues that needed to be addressed on the pool deck. They decided on our rubber epoxy. We came in, we're applying the product, and take a look at the finish.
My name is Matt. We're going to talk about the rubber epoxy we just put around our pool. This is the most incredible surface that we have ever seen to put around a pool. It is soft on your feet. It's safe to run on. If you fall, you don't get scraped and burned. It is so nice, and Granite State Epoxy put it down today and did such a great job. It is a professional company that really knows their business. They made us a custom blend for colors, and their professionalism in installing it has been above and beyond our expectations. I highly recommend this company, and you will be very, very happy if you get this product around your pool.
If you're interested in updating and upgrading your pool deck, give us a call at Granite State Epoxy.